this is. All right. Okay. This is the first hint about what this contest is about. Okay? Raise your hand if you know what this is. Everybody knows what this is, right? Okay. That's another hint. And this is the third and final hint. Okay? Everybody see this? Okay? All right. Now this is a hint about what this contest is about. So what is about to happen, we're going to get these guys out. We're going to have them sit down. We're going to get their names and all that good stuff. And then on the count of 3, they get to lift the cloth in front of them, and they have to follow the instructions that are written on the card that's on the table. And then there's some hints if they need it. Okay? Everybody with me? All right, let's bring them out. All right, everybody get a seat. Everybody take a seat. It's all the same. Okay. All right, now, I'm going to walk down the line, and everybody just say your name and age.
My name's Sophie, and I'm 12. I'm 11. Almost at 12.
I'm Hayden, and I'm 11. I'm Addison, and I'm 10.
I'm Ava, and I am 11.
I'm Avery, and I'm 9.
9, 10, 11, 12. We got them. Oh, okay, 9, 10, 11. Even better. Okay, guys. Here's the deal. In front of you is a blue cloth. Don't touch it. I'm going to count to 3, and when I say go, then you lift that blue cloth and turn over the card at the top. Not the hints, but the card at the top. And follow the instructions that are written on that top card. Okay? Ready? All right, I'm going to count to 3, and then I'm going to say the GO word. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, I think everybody out in the crowd probably knows what is written on the card. Okay? And this is the winner, okay? Whoever makes this work is the winner. Go. Start. Don't tell them, y'all. Don't tell them.
Look at your hints. Look at your hints.
No, not yet.
No, not yet. Not yet. You can't look at the hints yet. We gotta give everybody more time, okay? Don't shout. No help from the crowd, please. There's no time. There's no time limit on this thing, y'all. It's just whoever makes this work. Whoever can make this work. Yeah? Okay. All right. Why don't we start with hint number 1? Hint number 1. Turn over the card. There's the hint. Now, we're not saying what they're reading, y'all, because we got other contestants backstage who can hear. We don't have a soundproof room out here. But it's giving them clues about how to make it work. Okay, I think you all got the first hint. That's pretty obvious, right? Let's go to hint number 2. Go to hint number 2. Hint number 2. Okay, I don't know if that one's gonna help them out too much either. Let's try hint number 3. This is a big one. Yeah? Okay, you hear something? Okay. Now turn over hint number 4. Okay. All right. Everybody look at hint number 3. Do what it says. Just do it. Don't do anything. Okay. Everyone look at what hint number 3 says. Everybody. Everybody. Look at hint number 3 and do what it says. Right. Pick it up. Do what it says. Whoops. Do what it... And then, okay. Go hint number 3 and the original instructions. So do what hint number 3 says to do, and then follow the original instruction. Yeah. Hey, we got a winner. All right. 873-5473. Hello. You are the winner. We'll tell you after, when the next group comes up, we'll tell you after. Hey, we're back for round 2. All right, so guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is go down the line, and I want everybody to say your first name and your age, and we're gonna start with you.
Travion Smith, I'm 10.
Oh, okay.
I'm King Gildia, I'm 11. I'm Lakeland and I'm 10. I'm Morgan and I'm 9.
Okay, all right. Thank you all for participating in this contest. Okay, so here's the deal. In front of you is something. Don't touch it. I'm going to count to 3, and then I'm going to say the G-O word. And when I do, you remove the blue cloth, the G-O word, the word go. That's how I talk to my dog at the house. You can't say go, you gotta spell it out, G-O, otherwise she knows what we're up to. Okay, so I'm gonna say the G-O word. When I do, you turn over the top card, not the hints. Leave the hints alone for the time being, okay? All right. Okay, you ready? Everybody ready? Nod if you're ready. No, you're not? Yes, you are. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, lift the cloth and do what it says. Yeah. Okay. Read the top card and do what it says. We don't have any more rounds. This is it, right? Okay, this is what the card says, y'all. It says call 985-217-GOAL for a prize. Yeah, this is exactly how it was on YouTube when I saw it too. I'm not giving you any clues like that. What do you think? Try it, see what happens. What's happening? What do you hear? Do you hear anything? It's what? Wait. This will be good.
Beep.
All right, hint number 1, flip it over. Read it, and do what it says. Oh, it says, hint number 1 says, use the letters on the face of the phone to help you dial goal.
Chris.
No, not yet. Okay, let's try hint number 2. Hint number 2. What does hint number 2 say? Hint number 2 says, let the dial reset completely before dialing the next number. Nope.
She called somebody.
Oh, I know what it is. Can we hear that? Hey, Chris, come with the microphone. Will it work?
Everybody remember that sound? All right.
Let's try that again.
Yeah. Okay. Hint number 3. Flip hint number 3 over, guys. Pick up the receiver and listen for a dial tone before dialing. And I'll just give you a hint. If you don't hear anything when you pick up the receiver, push the clear buttons down and lift them up. Okay. You thought you heard a beep? Yeah, you should hear something. Well, here, Trey, put this one to your ear. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, let's try hint number. You can turn over hint number 4 if you like, and it says, if you mess up, hang up the phone, wait 2 to 3 seconds, then pick it up and try again.
I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like
No. Before you die. Okay, hang it up and pick it up again. Try again. Yeah, you're on the floor. If you mess up the phone, or if you mess up, hang up the phone, wait 2 to 3 seconds, and pick it up and try again.
Come on, girl. You got this. You play with this all the time. Yeah, she's trying to spell it.
It's so close.
Come on, girl.
Yeah, I think someone's gonna get it this time. Ah, we got a winner. Okay. Very good. Very good. All right. Okay, so, like I said at the beginning, everybody gets a prize. Our winner gets a $20 gift card to El Paso, and a little gift bag, and a little certificate of achievement. Thank all of our contestants. Thank you all. We really appreciate it. This was a lot of fun. It went just like we planned it, so thank you all. Enjoy the rest of the day, and now hear the parade.